Do you think it's funny watching yourself sneeze when you were a few days old?
You will be 1 week old tomorrow.
Again. You want it again? Okay.
A week ago yesterday, my walk.
Okay, no, I'm laughing. Okay, Mama.
You're laughing, okay?
I want again, no, Mama. I'm laughing. Okay.
You want to laugh again?
I want to sneeze again. Oh my laughing. Okay? Is my daddy here?
No, Daddy's at work.
A week ago yesterday, my water broke.
That's somebody else.